everyone! Welcome to FSpace 101 Science Flow. Today, we are going to explore the desert. The desert is hot, dry, and full of amazing animals. How do animals live in such a difficult place? How do they find food, stay cool, and survive with very little water? In this lesson, we will meet desert animals and learn their special survival tricks. Let's explore, ask questions, and discover together. Look at this desert. It is hot, dry, and sandy. There is not much water. The sun is very strong. The sand can be very hot during the day. So here is our big question. How do desert animals survive in a hot, dry habitat? As we learn today, think about what animals need. They need water, food, shelter, and special body parts or behaviors to stay alive. Let's find out how they do it. A desert is a very dry habitat. It gets very little rain. Some deserts are very hot during the day, but at night they can become cold. During the day, the sun heats the land. At night, the temperature can drop. That means desert animals must survive both heat and cold. The desert may look empty, but many animals live there. They have special ways to survive. Desert animals face many challenges. First, there is too much heat. The sun can make the land very hot. Second, there is very little water. Animals must save water or find water carefully. Third, the sand and rocks can be hot. Animals need ways to protect their feet and bodies. Fourth, desert nights can be cold. Animals must stay warm too. And finally, there are predators. Animals must hide, run, or protect themselves. The desert is a hard place to live, but desert animals are amazing survivors. Let's learn our keywords. The first word is habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal lives. The second word is survive. Survive means to stay alive. The third word is adaptation. An adaptation is a body part or behavior that helps an animal survive. The fourth word is burrow. A burrow is a hole in the ground. The fifth word is nocturnal. Nocturnal means active at night. The last word is camouflage. Camouflage means colors that help an animal hide. These words will help us understand desert animals. Now, let's meet the camel. Camels are famous desert animals. They can travel for a long time in the desert. A camel has a hump. The hump stores fat for energy. Camels also have long eyelashes. Their eyelashes help protect their eyes from sand. Camels have wide feet. Wide feet help them walk on soft sand without sinking. Camels are great desert travelers because their bodies help them survive. Now, let's meet the fennec fox. The fennec fox is small, but it has amazing survival skills. Look at its big ears. Big ears help release heat from its body. This helps the fox stay cool. Its light fur reflects sunlight. This also helps protect it from the hot desert sun. The fennec fox has hairy feet. Hairy feet help protect it from hot sand. It is mostly active at night. At night, the desert is cooler. Think and talk. Why do you think big ears help in the desert? Now let's meet the desert tortoise. The desert tortoise moves slowly, but it has smart ways to survive. It has a hard shell. The hard shell protects its body. It has strong claws. Strong claws help it dig burrows. A burrow is a hole in the ground. Burrows are cooler than the hot desert surface. The desert tortoise can also go a long time without water. Think and talk. Why is a burrow useful in the desert? Now let's meet the scorpion. A scorpion is a small desert animal. It has a hard body that helps reduce water loss. During the hot day, scorpions often hide under rocks. This helps them stay away from the strong sun. Many scorpions come out at night. At night, the desert is cooler. Scorpions have pincers and a stinger. These help them catch food and protect themselves. Think and talk. Why do many desert animals come out at night? Let's compare the animals. A camel stores fat in its hump. This gives the camel energy in the desert. A fennec fox has big ears. Its big ears help release heat. A desert tortoise digs cool burrows. The burrow helps it escape the hot sun. A scorpion hunts at night. Nighttime is cooler and safer for many desert animals. Different animals use different survival strategies, but they all have adaptations that help them survive. Compare and talk. Which animal adaptation do you think is the most helpful? Now, let's review. Question 1. Which animal has big ears to release heat? Yes, the fennec fox. Question 2. Which animal digs a cool burrow? Yes, the desert tortoise. Question 3. Which animal stores fat in its hump? Yes, the camel. Question 4. Which animal hunts at night? Yes, the scorpion. Great job. You learned how different desert animals survive in a hot, dry habitat. Today, we learned about desert animals and their survival tricks. Camels store fat in their humps. Fennec foxes use big ears to release heat. Desert tortoises dig cool burrows. Scorpions hide during the day and come out at night. The big idea is, desert animals have special adaptations that help them survive. Thank you for learning with FlowSpace 101. Like, subscribe, and share. Keep exploring, keep asking, and keep discovering. See you in the next lesson.